What's up? Welcome to the Trump Hotel. It's just to get out, right? It's just to get out of the house. That's really all it is.
What are we getting to?
46.
46? We're gonna be in the elevators over here now.
Thank you. Hi, how are you doing?
46th floor.
It smells really good. Right? Oh. Here, you do the tour.
Here we go. Anyway, this is our room for the night. We got Colin and Craig. I know everyone has missed him. It is Cinco de Mayo. We're about to do some shots. Tequila.
Shot.
And then we're going to the pool for a while. And we've got, oh, look at this bathroom. Look at that tub. We might send Colin to the pool. Oh, jeez. Oh, hey, ladies. He's single. We brought our cooler. Probably the only one in this whole who brought a cooler.
Oh my gosh.
Look at Colin. Look at you in your robe and your hat. What is this? I'm gonna paddle Craig with this later. Babe. Bend over.
There you go.
Yesterday I forgot to record it like a million times. This is the pool area, you guys. It looks like they have cabanas back here. Oh, they're the cabanas. So here's a cabana. Oh, it's nice and cool in there. Feel that air condition? No, it's not. Nobody's in here.
Do you not see their towel set out?
Oh, well, they're allowed on these.
Yeah, they said it's 5-star.
I know.
Look it up.
I paid for a 5-star hotel.
That's how they filter it.
Oh, it is? So the pool's not very big.
Just put it under.
But it's nice enough to swim a lap or two across. How high up it goes. So you can't look up?
Well, I can't like
Let me
swallow.
karate chop you at the throat.
I'm like, what's this?
That's to help you do pull-ups. So
What's it
step
at?
up. Here, watch. You go up, up.
Like
Put your
here?
hands. No, not that way. You don't sit on it. Grab up there. Now pull yourself up.
You sure you don't sit?
Yeah, I'm sure you don't
It
sit.
looks like you had a bunch of body hair there. Is like the thing.
It's so stupid. So the spa's right here. Nice. This is our view, you guys. Look how amazing it is.
It's pretty.
It's pretty, Colin says.
There's the restaurant. Oh, it's all open. You gonna get the car? You gotta check out?